should lock your shoulder. Look at my shoulder, not put the shoulder up, but lock your shoulder. As soon as you impact to go through, you relax. Coming from the bottom, you kick. Hey, hello everybody. I'm Chinzo Machida. I'm talking to you here from South California, more specifically Torrance, here at the Machida Academy. So today I'm going to explain a little bit about the Makiwara. So how this tool can help you to emphasize and make your techniques better, especially now when I apply the punch. So this Makiwara is going to work you to use in the Japanese, you call seiken. Look at these bones. So that's the part you have to land at the Makiwara. So the Makiwara is going to be as stationary as ours. So you're going to do your stance and prepare for a straight punch. So when you do a straight punch, you should lock your shoulder. Look at my shoulder, not put the shoulder up, but lock your shoulder. So this, when you engage the shoulder, so that's going to make you use your entire body, not only your arm. So when you're going to punch, the power not coming from your arm, the power coming from your back leg. Look at my back leg. So that's the way you can generate and create the power. And after that, you turn your hip and make your punches stronger. So when you punch, well, look at the shoulder down. Don't forget, the main goal is not to stop your punches here. For sure, your hand is going to stop here, but your power has to go through the board. So imagine your power moving forward all the time. So when you punch, go one, look, shoulder down, engage, and the power go through. 2. And breath out when you punch. 3. You see when I punch, I don't anticipate with my arm this. I create the power with my back leg. Look, 1. Then I go towards you the Makiwara. Then I punch. 3. So the Makiwara is not to be purpose to be so aggressive. When you go, no. It's you work with your repetition. Repeat as more as you can. So then you're gonna little by little you're gonna create the better techniques. Not just one big punch. Remember, you have to use your whole body and connect mind and body to make this more effective. So then you want to repeat, repeat, and repeat. There is also some variation that you can use these two. I can use also stationary punch, as I just demonstrated, but also I can use footwork. You see now I open more the distance, make my distance longer, then I can apply, use the step footwork, and in Japanese you call oizuki, then you punch. So when you apply this, it's very important. Don't break your level. Keep the same level and look my shoulder. Hold your shoulder until the last minute. So then you can get more power. Go here, and then you punch. When you land your foot, you're gonna able to bring your whole body, all your weight towards your knuckles. So that's technique you have to take care because your weight, your whole weight, go towards your wrist. So if you don't have a good wrist and not train it proper, so then you can hurt your wrist like a bend like that, which you can hurt your hands. So be careful, start slow. I recommend first start stationary, so then after you can step and punch. Hold your shoulder until the last minute. You're gonna make your body a little bit twist, then you punch. Then you punch. So there is a way that you can attack. You can do punch and hold a little bit. So that the way you're gonna lock your shoulder and you use the proper part of your muscle to lock the technique. Or you can punch, as soon as you land, you relax. So I'm gonna show the first one, you lock and stay there. And the second one, you punch, as soon as you impact to go through, you relax. So both is gonna work and both is very important to practice. Also, there is other variation that you can train in. You can also apply the hook punch. So the hook punch, the show is gonna be a little bit different. Look at the up. You can use shuto, like karate chop, haito, this way, that part of the hand, the haito. Also the kicks, maigiri. The maigiri, I really recommend you don't use at the beginning in the high part. Use that, practice in the low part, because you have to use it to put your toes up and apply with the ball of the foot. The karate techniques, you have two techniques of the front kick. The push one, not push, but the thrust one, and the next one is snap. To apply this to the Makiwara, I really recommend you train snap kick. So the snap kick, the foot come from the bottom. Look, not come up. The foot come from the bottom and you kick. So that then you can apply. The Makiwara, you're gonna train your precision. Because you see, the board is like that. If you're not very good precision, train your precision there, so you're gonna step. You're gonna slip here. So that's gonna make your concentration. So this is very important, techniques and be precise when you apply. So that's very important, and there's a very amazing tool to use, different than punching bag, different purpose, but it's very effective and make you have a good techniques when you're training through the Makiwara. Thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. See you guys next time. Us.